Hi, everyone! This video shows 5 solutions to the issue that Windows can't format external hard drives. You can give them a try. Fix 1. Remove write protection. Press Windows and R to open the Run dialog. Type command in the text box and then press Ctrl, Shift, and Enter simultaneously. Type diskpart and press Enter to access the diskpart utility. Type list disk and press Enter to display all disks in your system. Type select disk 1 and press Enter. You should replace 1 with the number of your external hard drive. Type the on-screen command and press Enter to remove write protection. Fix 2. Check hard drive for bad sectors. Launch MiniTool Partition Wizard. Right-click the target disk and then select Surface Test from the context menu. Click Start Now to start the process. Fix 3. Update the hardware driver. Right-click the Start icon and select Device Manager. Double-click the disk drives category to expand it. Right-click your external hard drive and select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers to search for and install the best available driver. Fix 4. Scan for malware or viruses. Press the Windows and I keys to open Settings. Select Update and Security from the menu. In the next window, go to the Windows Security section. After that, click the Virus and Threat Protection option on the right side. Click Scan Options to expand more options. Choose the Custom Scan option and click Scan Now to continue. In the pop-up window, tap this PC and then the failing external hard drive. Finally, click Select Folder to detect viruses in the chosen location. Fix 5. Format the external hard drive via MiniTool Partition Wizard. Launch MiniTool Partition Wizard. Highlight the specific partition and select Format Partition from the left action panel. Choose a preferred file system. If necessary, you can also set a desired cluster size or label. After that, click OK. Finally, click Apply to save the changes. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.